proper air circulation around the machine by keeping the condenser clean, or if present, the air filter at least once a month. Warning: before you proceed to clean the filter or condenser, unplug the machine from the power supply. Then, remove the two fastening knobs from the panel located on the right-hand side of the machine. Remove the panel. Remove the filter. Proceed to wash it, then clean the condenser with a brush. Reassemble all the parts. If this periodic maintenance is not carried out, or if the air circulation is not adequate, the red warning light located on the electronic board may come on. This light signals compressor shutdown caused by the triggering of a pressure switch located inside the dispenser. You must clean the condenser or eliminate the obstruction to free air circulation. Switch off the machine and reset the pressure switch from the operator's position on machine's right-hand side in this way.